Hey guys, this is CJ from spreadsheet.com, and today I'm going to show you how to make your data more clean and more standardized by replacing all text with proper case. Now, proper case means that the first letter is always capital and the rest is always lowercase. And by doing this, you have much more control of your data because you can be sure that all the data in your spreadsheet is standardized in the same way. Now, first go to www.spreadsheet.com/replace by proper case. And then you have the input example that demonstrate how this tool works. In this case, you have cute kitten written entirely in lowercase. Then you have cute animal written already in proper case, and then you have other data that is already in capital case, and the output selects already the data that it modifies. So here in light blue, in this case Fluffy and Laurel, they have added the first letter as capital case, and the same goes for Puppy and Cute Kitten here. And if you want, you can select only one column to make it proper case. So let's see only column B instead of the entire table. And then you only have the data in column B that you want to upgrade or replace with proper case. Now let's use another example to demonstrate how this works with your real data. So in reality, when you collect data in a formula, you always let people enter different type of input, and some people will write it in capital case and some people will write it in lowercase entirely. And once you receive the data in a formula or in a survey, you want to standardize them. So what we do is we select your data, we go back to the website, we copy and paste it here with your input, and then the output, since you're still selecting column B, nothing is changed, so no color is in the output and in the input, and you need to go back to select the entire table. And then it shows that Bella Gomez and Zoe Chan and Nick Powell, they are upgraded to be proper case. So initially, for example, Chan, the C here is small, and now it's in uppercase. And if you want, you can download the data and continue work it offline. And this is how you change all the data to proper case. Thank you for watching.